My name is Austin Lin, and this is my 112 term project. My project is a ballroom competition results scraper, and basically you can enter any competitor on O2CM, and it will scrape their results and calculate their eligibility to dance in a certain level and style, as well as calculating the percentage that of the time that a judge recalled you at a competition. So you can see, I'll put it myself. So I cut the video because the time that it takes to scrape the data is takes a little bit, so I cut the video. So if you press 1, the program displays all the YCN calculations for each level: newcomer, bronze, newcomer through gold, and it'll also highlight the number of points in red if it's over 7 for a level, because if you receive over 7 points in a level and a style, you can no longer dance it. So for example, I can no longer dance newcomer, smooth, and standard because I have received over 7 points. I also have a condensed chart which only displays the totals for each style and does not display the totals for the dance. So the other feature of my program is that it generates a recall graph for all the judges at a certain competition. So let's see, if you press 3, it will display all the competitions that a dancer has danced at, and you can select which comp you want to go to. So I'm going to do the Ohio Start Ball Collegiate Challenge. So as you can see, all the recall percentage for all the judges have been calculated. You can see on the bottom, on the x-axis, all the judging numbers, and displayed right above that in the bars is the percentage of the time that they recalled you, and it's also the height of the bar also represents the percentage of the time that they recalled you. So that's my term project. I hope by making this app, I encourage people to dance at the level that they should be competing in, because it'll make it easier for them to know what their actual skill level is, and also to offer dancers insights into how they did at a comp, and also who maybe they could talk to receive advice on how to improve their dancing.